Hi friends, this video is for kids appearing for their exams. Let us find out from the tarot cards what is that the cards suggest you for your exam. So let me just pull out some cards and let us see what they say. Archangel Michael, please help me understand what is that these kids should be doing in order to fare well in the exam. And what is the best advice you can give them and also the parents. So guys, let me just pull out some cards and see what do they tell us. Okay, so I'm just pulling out the cards randomly from here. The first card is King of Wands clarified by Two of Swords. Second card is Nine of Swords clarified by Judgment. Third card is Two of Pentacles clarified by Magician. And the bottom of the deck is Page of Cups. Okay, this is your common energy. Okay, most of the students are like very vibrant, and they want to try out different things. So very enthusiastic also, I must say, which is a good sign. Now let us see what does the spread say. Okay, King of Wands is the energy of the parent over here. There are a lot of parents who have a lot of questions for the teachers, for the school. They're like not very happy with the current scenario. Most of them, they are in two minds, and they're like whether they should be sending their children for writing the exams or not. So this is running in their minds, and they're not very sure what is that they are doing. Is it like they are doing correct or not? So this is happening in their minds, and most of the parents are keeping themselves awake also at nights, thinking day and night about it, about their children's, how they are going to be faring in the exam, and they're also very concerned about their health. This is because of COVID-19. They are like kind of scared of the fact that if children they get affected by this disease. So the suggestion over here is you have to have faith. You have to have faith in the universe now, because we don't have any other option but to have faith in God and seek help from them. Do a lot of prayers and have the trust in God, because that's the only option left with us. We cannot do anything. So have that trust and have that faith in you, and try to maintain that positive spirit. Try to imbibe the same thing in your children also, and don't be in two minds. Exams are exams, they have to perform in the exams. So prepare your children for exams well. Become their their emotional support, and I am sure if you have that faith in you, you will be able to give proper guidance to your kids, that support and courage which they want at this point in time. You'll be able to give them. And for students, yes, please don't take your studies casually, because online studies, not going to school, not seeing your teachers. So yeah, chances are there that you may become very casual about your studies, but don't do that. Try to study well and have that faith in you. Nothing is going to affect you if you follow all the rules. Wear mask, keep social distancing, and sanitize your hands on and off, and concentrate on your studies. Prepare well. Those who are weak in calculation, mathematics kind of a thing and all, have to concentrate more on mathematics. People who are weak in sciences, again, yes, there are a lot of people who I feel have problem memorizing things. So social sciences will be a little tough for them, so it's better that they study during morning hours. Don't keep yourself awake all night, because morning studies will be more beneficial for you. It becomes very easy for you to absorb things faster when you're studying in the morning, so try to do that. And I'm sure with your consistent effort and hard work, you will be definitely faring well in your exams and will come out with flying colors. And for parents, please keep calm and composed. Have that faith in yourself and in your child. At the same time, same advice for the children: keep calm and composed, and don't stress much, and just have that confidence in you, and give the best shot. So I wish you all the best for your exams. Hope you come out with flying colors. And yes, so my best wishes are there for you. Bye.